Just look at this beautiful dish. Today, we are making the most incredible stir-fried rice noodles. It is just so savory and satisfying, and you'll see it is surprisingly easy to pull off.
And you want to know the best part? The whole thing comes together in about 15 minutes. Seriously, it's going to be your new go-to for a perfect weeknight meal. It's fast, it's fresh, and oh my gosh, it is packed with flavor. Welcome to the Asian Food Diary.
Okay, so first things first, let's talk about our ingredients. With any great stir-fry, it all starts with beautiful, fresh components. That's really the foundation of all that amazing flavor. So we've got these wonderful, fresh, soft rice noodles, some really savory Chinese sausage, and of course, a couple of eggs. For our veggies, we're using some super crisp cabbage and tender bok choy. And then for that classic can't live without it flavor, we have fragrant garlic, both dark and light soy sauce, a little nutty sesame oil, and just a pinch of sugar and salt to get everything perfectly balanced. Now, here's a quick pro tip for you before we get going. If Chinese sausage isn't really your thing, or maybe you just don't have any on hand, please do not worry. This recipe is so flexible. You can totally swap it out for some thinly sliced chicken or pork or even some crispy tofu. It's all about making it yours. All right, let's move on to the prep work. The secret to a totally stress-free stir-fry is having everything chopped and ready to go before you even think about turning on the heat. It's a complete game changer, I promise. So first, we're going to gently boil our sausage until it's cooked through, and then slice it into these nice, thin little rounds. Next up, for our beautiful garnish, you'll just whisk 2 eggs with a tiny pinch of salt and fry that up into a really thin omelet. Then, once it's cooked, you just roll it up nice and tight and slice it into these absolutely gorgeous, delicate ribbons. They add such a wonderful texture at the end. For our veggies, this part is super simple. Just give your cabbage a good wash and slice it thinly, and then give the bok choy a rough chop. We want to keep those nice, crisp textures intact. And finally, go ahead and crush or mince about 3 big cloves of garlic. This is where that incredible aroma is going to come from. Okay, you might want to lean in for this part, because I'm about to share the first big secret. This is the one thing that takes these noodles from just, good to absolutely unforgettable. It's all about getting that beautiful dark color and that deep savory flavor into every single noodle. And here it is. You have to pre-season the noodles. So in a bowl, just gently toss your fresh rice noodles with the dark soy sauce, a little drizzle of sesame oil, and a pinch of salt. When you do this before they hit that hot pan, you're guaranteeing that every single noodle is perfectly coated and packed with flavor. No more sad, bland spots in your stir-fry. Okay, all our prep is done, which means it is time for the fun part, the stir-fry. This is where all the magic happens. And believe me, it happens fast. But hold on, I've got one more crucial secret for you. This little trick happens right at the very beginning of the cooking, and it adds this amazing layer of complex flavor. We are going to caramelize the sugar first. So get your pan or your wok nice and hot, add your cooking oil, and then sprinkle the sugar right into that hot oil. You just let it dissolve and bubble away until it turns this beautiful, rich amber color. Trust me, this adds such a fantastic caramelized note and a lovely sheen to the whole dish. Okay, get ready, because here we go. Add your garlic right into that caramelized sugar and oil. The smell is just incredible. Once you can smell that garlic, toss in your cabbage and bok choy. You're going to stir-fry that for maybe 2 minutes. You want them to be tender, but still have a little bit of a bite. Then add your light soy sauce and the sausage slices. Give it all a quick stir, and finally, in go our beautifully pre-seasoned noodles. All you have to do now is gently toss everything together for just 1 more minute until those noodles are hot and everything looks glossy and perfect. And just like that, we are done. The cooking is over. It is time for the best part, plating up this beautiful masterpiece and making it look just as amazing as it tastes. So, carefully transfer those steaming, glossy noodles onto your favorite plate. Go on, pile them high, and for that final perfect touch, just generously sprinkle those lovely egg ribbons right over the top. That contrast between the dark noodles and the bright yellow egg, it's just so special. And there you have it, a perfect plate of stir-fried rice noodles, hot and ready in just 15 minutes. So, what's your favorite thing to add to a stir-fry? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you loved this recipe, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more delicious meals from the Asian Food Diary. Happy cooking!